Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can enable camera access in Snapchat app. Please friends, don't forget to write your comments on these videos. Also put likes and subscribe to our channel. So friends, let us get started with you. And if you have a situation where you open the Snapchat app, but you get a window like this, that says that the camera is disabled in the Snapchat app. And in order to activate it, you need to go to Settings. The easiest thing to do would be to open the settings directly from this window. This way, you will be immediately taken to the Snapchat settings on your iPhone. Next, friends, you need to find the camera option. And if you don't have it active, like me at the moment, then you need to activate it by clicking on this button. And then you can go back to Snapchat, and as you can see, the camera is already active. You can freely take photos, videos, and so on. But what if you have a situation like this? When you open the Snapchat app settings and you don't have the camera option listed, or you can't activate it, what can you do about it? Now I am going to show you how you can solve this problem. First of all, friends, you will need to go back to the settings. And then at the top of the settings, select Screen Time. And then a little bit more correctly go to the bottom and select this option here, which is called Privacy and Content Restrictions. And this is where, if you have any restrictions enabled, then your page will look like this and you'll have those restrictions turned on at the top. In order to turn them off, just click on this button. After that, you can go back to the settings. Scroll down, find Snapchat. You will see the camera settings, activate them. Now you will be able to take photos and videos on your Snapchat camera. Friends, this is how you can enable camera access in the Snapchat app. I really hope this video has helped you, that it was useful for you. Please friends, don't forget to write your comments, be sure to give your likes and subscribe to this channel. Take care.